Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video today. You can tell we are in Belleville, Wisconsin. There's the old train depot. It's actually for sale. But first, there's an old train bridge too, trestle train bridge down there I want to take a look at. But we're at the main square downtown here. I want to take a look at all this here before we check out the depot. Library Park, noted as public ground and on the 1851 plat, this square, once crossed by an Indian trail, became the site of many events. In 1887, a tent city was erected here for laborers working on a new rail line. Erected in 1894, the brick building was used as village hall, library, firehouse, and jail. After 1900, a bandstand and fountain were added to the park. Park events include holiday celebrations, fairs, concerts, a free summer movies. Village offices and firehouse were relocated in 1923. The library remained until 1978. In the 1980s, the bandstand and fountain were rebuilt and the building's first floor refurbished as a meeting room museum. In 1982, the park and building were placed on the National Register of Historic Places. All right, there's a public library right across the street. Like I said, there's the depot. It's for sale. Let's check out the building over here. There's the bandstand. Look at this house, or this building. It's got a bell up top, still intact. Wow, it's cold. A little bit of wind. There's the bell up there. There's the bell. Wow, that's nice. Woo! It's New Year's Day, 2025. 2025. It's about 25 degrees right now, wind blowing. Village Hall. Erected 1894. This building and adjacent public ground have been placed on the National Register of Historic Places by the United States Department of Interior in 1981. And right over there is the fire department. Looks like they have an old fire engine inside. I don't know if you can see, because every time I zoom in, the focus is not that great. This village is on the Sugar River. There's a fountain. That old building across the street. The damn bar, it says. Early Belleville. Finding a mill site on the Sugar River, founder John Frederick settled here in 1845. His mills prompted Yankee settlement and a village developed with a hotel, tavern, blacksmith, harness maker, and general store. In 1847, an octagon-shaped school was erected, followed by the formation of Baptist, Methodist, and Presbyterian congregations. In 1851, the village was platted and named for Frederick's native place, Frederick, Belleville, Canada West. The post office was established in 1852. In the 1850s and 60s, Swiss, Irish, and French groups acquired adjacent farmlands. The 70s and 80s brought new growth with library, opera house, and railroad. By 1900, a fire department and high school were part of the flourishing village. Well, let's go have a look at this depot over here that's for sale. What is that, the old coal bin chute right there? I bet it is. It's pretty dark and overcast out, but man, that's a nice looking building. It is for sale if you're interested. Looks like they've done a little restoration on it. Man, that is something. It's that old Cream City brick. Looks like it could use a lot of work. I hope this thing doesn't go to waste. Be tore down. That would be a shame. Looks like they did some repair work on the brick back here, replaced a bunch of it. Somebody did at some point. Old foundation. It's still got the posts sticking out for the insulators for the cables, the wires, stuff like that. That's the hiking trail down there. Bike path, which was once the railroad bed. Well, let's go now and take a look at the old bridge. Look at that old garage right there. All right, we're on the old rail bed. We're coming up to the train bridge going across Sugar Creek. Oh, this is really something. Man, look at that. There's nothing on that sign base there. I'm gonna record a little bit on the way out, drive around town a little bit, see what else I could find. I love this bridge. I can't get down there. Oh, there, it's got an old plaque that's broken off. What does that say? R 489, 439. $1887, it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful bridge. All right, let's see what else we got.